Iroko African root is a powerful blend of traditional medicinal plants known for their extensive health benefits. Sourced from Africa's rich and diverse flora, Iroko African root combines the potent properties of the following ingredients: ginger, Hunteria umbellata, Iroko bark, clove, and mahogany. Let's explore the incredible benefits of Iroko African root. Antimicrobial properties. Compounds in Chlorophylla excelsa have shown antimicrobial activity, potentially aiding in fighting off infections. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies suggest that extracts from Chlorophylla excelsa possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for reducing inflammation in the body. Antioxidant. Iroko African root contains antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative damage and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Liver health. Compounds in Chlorophylla excelsa may support liver health by promoting detoxification processes and protecting liver cells from damage. Cardiovascular support. Consumption of Chlorophylla excelsa may contribute to cardiovascular health by improving blood circulation and reducing the risk of heart disease. Digestive aid. Some traditional medicinal uses of Chlorophylla excelsa include aiding digestion and relieving gastrointestinal discomfort. Anti-diabetic properties. Preliminary research suggests that Chlorophylla excelsa may have hypoglycemic effects, potentially helping to regulate blood sugar levels in individuals with diabetes. Bone health. Compounds in Chlorophylla excelsa may contribute to bone health by promoting bone density and strength, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Wound healing. Iroko Africa roots can be used for wound healing due to its potential antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Stress reduction. Evidence suggests that Iroko Africa root possesses calming effects, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Use Iroko Africa roots for a healthy, happy family. Pure Virgin External Vaginal Wash is an antifungal solution meticulously crafted to alleviate conditions such as yeast infections and vaginal dryness. It contains aloe vera, which soothes and hydrates the vaginal area. Cocoa moisturizes and soothes intimate areas, thereby reducing irritation. Hyssop acts as a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory agent, while camwood acts as a natural cleanser and skin revitalizer. This unique blend of ingredients ultimately restores confidence in women. Pure Virgin addresses various feminine concerns, including vaginal discharge, low libido in females, intimate itching, vaginal elasticity, malodor, candidiasis, intimate dryness. It improves sex and intimacy. It treats bacterial infections. It improves fertility. It tackles human papillomavirus. Pure